Alright, we're back at the monastery. Now there's something going on. The roof work has started. The distinctive peaks of the roof are in view. And the guys are making a good start on a sunny day for a change. Not going to get many opportunities to see the exposed wood on the roof. But we got one now. So there's the front doors. You remember those. And here's the kind of stuff I used to do on the roof. Throw the junk off the roof into the dumpster. They'll get a lot done today, I'm sure. And here's the view we always liked from the hill. The reflection of the statue. Yeah, we can get some good footage today. Today we brought the tripod, so it won't be as shaky as the past few days. Yeah, I know. You're gonna get tired of seeing this real quick. But we'll probably never get another chance to see the roof like this under construction. So here's the kind of stuff we used to do at the Catholic shrines in Baltimore. And the kind of stuff that's being done to Catholic shrines in Alabama. And again, more of the same. But I think it's cool to see the real thing. And that's not the only thing that's going on in the neighborhood. The house across the street from the friary. The people are moving out and it's going to be demolished. Probably pretty soon. There's the friary right over there. So there's a good look at the old building of the friary. And just beyond the friary, lots of other activity too. All the ongoing construction for the future shopping center with a supermarket. And more of all that stuff going on over there. Here's Old Leeds Road as it presently looks for now. And then as we come around this way, here we go back to that thing. Believe it or not, this was once a quiet area across from the monastery, with the mountains in the distance. But as you can hear, things are changing. Judy, we're doing this part for you. the old mailbox from your old homestead. This is probably a shot never to be repeated. The guys on the peak of the roof with the American flag, no less. And more of the same. We can't pass up this opportunity. So this is what's going on since you left. And roof restoration is still an ongoing art form. Can't wait to see what's next for the old neighborhood. Just changing.